Hi everybody, my name is Beck, and if this is our first time meeting, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'll be sharing with you my top 5 tips of indoor activities to keep your toddlers occupied, whether it be raining or snowing or any sort of weather that's preventing you from going outside, so stay tuned. So the girls are just waking up from their midday sleep. The 5 activities are simple around the house items that you'll need to have, and then I'll just bring you along with us. Now that the kids are up, the first activity we are going to do is build a cubby house.
This is a pretend castle.
Yeah. Can Daddy get into the castle?
Yes, again.
Just watch me.
I can reach this.
Hello.
Watch your head.
Pop it down. Good girl.
This is so dark.
It is dark. You're in a cubby house.
And this is so beautiful.
Is it?
Yes.
Thanks for helping make it. That's it. Good girl.
I go in the cabin house.
Yay! Duck your head. Duck your head. That's it, Zoe. Good girl.
Dark in here.
Oh no. Silly
Watch your
Billy. Hey.
In your bag.
Go under. Under your head. Go under. That's it.
I think maybe not the table.
Five, go, bum. I smell the blood of little girls.
Hello.
Amira, what do you think of your cubby house?
Good.
Our second activity, we are going to play indoor bowling. Now, all you need for this is your kids' plastic cups and a indoor soft ball, because you don't want it to be too hard. And I'm going to use a hula hoop today so that Amira knows where to stand in order to throw the cups down. It's to the other end.
Ow.
Yeah, come over here. Stand in a circle.
You heard it, Dada? Okay, Amira.
Here we go.
Oh, so close. You go back.
Go back. Mummy will get the ball back to you, okay? Stand in a circle.
Stand in the circle. Okay.
Check the ball. Oh!
Yay! Well done. I think that's it. Is it? Yay!
I'm going to get set up, and then you can just get one set up by the other cup.
Next to the blue cup. That's it. Do this one next, and then do that one on top. In between the 2 cups, Amira. You gotta put them between. Yep, that's it.
Beautiful.
Oh!
That's tricky.
That is tricky. Here, I'll do it again, and you can put the one on top. You ready? Okay, you put it on top. Good job. Okay, can Zoe have a turn at rolling the ball? Amira, you go stand with Dad.
And you chuck the ball. Chuck it.
Daddy needs to help.
Ready?
Maybe bring her closer. Ready, Zoe? You roll it. Yay! You did it, Zoe! Zoe, you did it! You gotta put it on top.
Really tricky.
Sorry.
The next activity we're gonna do, number 3, is Keepy Uppy. All you need for this game is a balloon, and that's it, because the aim of the game is to keep that balloon up without it touching the ground. What game are we gonna play?
Balloon.
Balloon? What's it called?
It's called Keepy Uppy.
Yay!
Okay, that's going as a
You grab it. Don't let it touch the ground. Oh. Hey! Hey! Our fourth game today is Bop and Fries. And it's super simple. All you need is your music, and I'm just gonna play it, and I'm gonna, for the first couple of rounds, tell Amira whether she needs to bop or freeze, and then see if she can do it after that. For Zoe only being one, she's just going to hopefully freeze. That's her goal. So let's do it. My fifth and final indoor activity, if the weather outside is preventing you from going outside, is a treasure hunt. And all I have got is some color strips of paper, and Amira and Zoe are going to go around the house trying to find things that match that color. Here I've made Amira a strip of rainbow colors, and we're going to go around the house and we're going to find one object of every color. Shall we go to the toy room and see if we can find more colors?
Yeah!
Okay, you ready for it? I'll tick it off when we find the color.
Yes.
So you find me something and tell me which color it is, and then we'll tick it off on your bookmark.
Okay. That!
Put it down next to the piggy. Is it the same color? I think it is. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Done it, and it was the P-I-G-E. Piggy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll find something else for the colors.
Yeah, you find something else.
It is green.
You
It is green.
bring it to Mommy. Bring Henry over, or Percy. Bring Percy over. He is the same color.
Okay.
Good choice.
Okay.
Percy.
Okay, I'll find something else.
Okay, you keep finding. You are a great color detective.
All done for colors.
Crazy. Did you like playing the color game?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
So different colors.
Yeah, you hold it to camera. And you found so many colors. Let's count how many colors there are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 colors! You're a great color detective. Thanks for playing.
It's okay.
So if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below what you do on your rainy days or snowy days, your indoor activity days. I'd love to hear some of your activities so that we could try it at home as well. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't done so already, because we'd really love for you to be part of our YouTube family. And we'll see you in the next video.